Today we've got me and Izzy. It's a bit cold today, it's only a couple of degrees, so we're going to go and try out a new play centre that we've found where there's a bit of a baby and toddler play centre thing going on. So we're going to go and see how that goes. So let's go and see what it's like. Hi guys, right, so we've been to a little play event this morning for Izzy. I'm going to talk a bit quietly because as you can see she's actually fast asleep in the back. So what I'm going to do now is just going to head over to a little place called Lane's Farm, which isn't far from us here. Somewhere where we can go and feed the cows with Izzy and get some lunch for her. So see how we get on. Hopefully she might stay awake this time, but she knows she's had an absolute awesome time this morning. Had a little teddy bear's picnic with some of her friends at the little play event that she's been to. So yeah, we're going to go and feed some animals now. Isabella, did you be cows? Did you be cows? Should we give him some food? Big cows! So Izzy, give it to him then. Come on then. You do it. Come here. Oh. Good girl, Izzy. Come on, give it to him. Give it to the big one. Isabella, this one.
Daddy.
You want Daddy to do it?
Daddy.
Watch. Isabella, you watching? Oh, carrots. Into the goat's mouth.
Dada.
You do it.
Daddy.
Oh, we feed him that one then. Okay, do you want this one, Mr. Goatee?
Dada.
I'm going to go in with this. The greedy cow. Should we give that to the goatee, look?
Dodo.
Here we go, look, straight over to the goat and give him to...
Daddy.
And we'll give that to the big goat.
Okay.
Big goat.
Daddy.
Oh. I got it, good girl. All right. You're missing out over here, aren't you, matey? You're being nice. Carrot. Follow the carrot. Go away, go away, go away, go away. We're trying to give it to the other one. Not you. You're greedy. You won't. I got it.
Daddy.
Watch, Izzy. Go with where's the carrot? Where's the carrot? We'll follow the carrot. Hi guys, welcome back. So we've done some feeding the animals at Lane's Farm. Been out for lunch with her as well. And guess what? Somebody is back asleep again. Although she's stirring. So we're just here now at Oscar and Chloe's school, waiting to pick them up. So we'll see how they've had, what sort of day they've had at school, and hopefully they've had fun. And then we'll see what they want to do tonight. So yeah, see you in a second. Or we'll see them in a second, should we say. Always look forward to picking them up from school. I think Oscar's coming. There he is. Had a good day at school?
Yep.
Yeah?
Tired.
Tired? What have you been doing?
I made spring rolls.
Spring rolls?
Yeah.
Are they like sausage rolls with springs in them?
Yeah. So, rice papering on the top, You can put any ingredient you want. Then I had made fried rice with it. I'm going to.
So you can put any ingredients you want in them, so I could put Haribo in them?
No.
Or chocolate?
Vegetables only.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Were they nice then?
Yeah.
Right. Oh, hello. Isabella's awake. Been sleeping most of the day, haven't you?
Wow!
Right, so what do you want to do tonight then?
I don't know.
Come on then.